Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Prism CAD Academy. Today we are going to see solid modeling of Flanged. So let's go. Select new, type file name Flanged, select template here. Click OK. Firstly, we are going to locate views in drawing. First view, right view and top view. You can find this drawing PDF in description box. Firstly, we are taking front plane and revolve command and try to draw a sketch in this view. Firstly, take a center line as the axis of revolution and try to draw this section here. Then click OK, you will get this shape. Now we have to create upper flange. For that, we are taking offset plane of distance 4.38. Draw this circle having diameter of, then extrude up to this surface. Click OK. Now try to draw flange here of diameter 7 inch. Having thickness of 0.69. Now we are going to remove this material. Which is 2.5 in diameter. Select up to this surface. Now we are going to locate the bolting holes. Take a construction circle having diameter of 6 inch. Now draw the holes of 0.56. Similarly at the other end. Now here only you can project the existing hole and extrude it. Similarly for the top flange. Now here piece circle diameter is 5.5. Hole diameter will be same. Now give proper rounds to this part of 0.12. Now we want the section here. For that, view, here offset section, take a top plane and draw this line and click OK. You will get this section. In this way, we can create this model. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.